Hello students, this is chapter 3 and we will take the topic factorization of quadratic trinomials. Students, you are already known with the factorization of quadratic polynomial like x square plus bx plus c. You are already known the factorization of the polynomial like this by splitting middle term where b is equal to p plus q. P and q are integers, and if b is equal to p plus q, and so that c is equal to pq. It implies x square plus bx plus c is equal to x square plus b means p plus q, x plus c means pq. So we put the value of b and c in the expression. So you can write it like this: x square plus px plus qx plus pq. Take x is common, x plus p, plus q common, x plus p, and you will get x plus p common and x plus q. Such type of factorization you have already known, where coefficient of x is 1. Now factorize the quadratic polynomial of the type ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b and c are constant terms. So by splitting the middle term, let b p plus px plus q and rx plus s are the factors of this polynomial. So you can write it px plus q and rx plus s are the factors of this polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Here factors are x plus p and x plus q, and we are taking here the factors of this polynomial ax square plus bx plus c are px plus q and rx plus s. If these are the factors of this polynomial, then you can write this expression like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to px plus q and multiply by rx plus s. These are the factors. Now multiply each term, px into rx, then px multiply by s, so plus sp or ps x plus q multiply by each term qrx plus q multiply by s qs. So take here, first you write it like prx square plus here ps x and qr x, take x common, so ps plus qr bracket में in the bracket x plus qs. Now comparing the coefficients, So here ax square plus bx plus c. Here the coefficient of x square, PR is equal to a. So write down like this, comparing the coefficient of x square. Comparing the coefficient of x square, we get a is equal to PR. Now comparing the coefficient of x, we get b is equal to x. B is equal to PS plus QR. Write down PS plus QR. Third is constant term. So comparing the constant term. So you will get C is equal to, this is C and QS. C is equal to QS. Now what you get? B is the sum of two numbers. Conclusion is B is the sum of two numbers. The numbers are PS and QR. P, two numbers, PS and QR. Whose product? See the product. Here PS and QR is the product. So write down product is equal to PS and QR, PS into QR, and you can write it is PR. So PR taking together, P and R. Write down PR into QS. C is QS, so write in this form, QS. And this thing is equal to PR means A, QS means C. So whose product is AC. So this is the splitting of middle term method. Now it will more clear when you will do exercise based on this topic. B is the sum of two numbers whose product is AC. When we solve the questions, then you will better understand. And let's start the exercise 3rd C of R.S. Aggarwal. Exercise 3rd C. Question number first. X square plus 11x plus 30. So here we should try that split 11 into two parts. Two parts whose sum is 11 and product is 30. Here 11, you will have to break it into two parts so that sum will be 11 and product will be 30. So break it by, now write two factors of 30. 30 is equal to 2 into 15, and take the sum of 15 plus 2 is not make 11, or 15 minus 2 does not make 11. Other factor 3, 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, 3 5s are 15 into 5, 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30. So 6 and 5 makes 11. So here factor 6 and 5 you can take. Sum of these two numbers will be the product of this 30. So you can write it like this: x square plus 11x plus 30 is equal to x square plus 6x plus 5x. Now you have split it into two terms, plus 30 whose product is 30. So take common x, and in the bracket x plus 6, here 5 is common, and x plus 6 in the bracket. X plus 6 is common from both the terms, x plus 6, and remaining here x, and in this term plus 5. So these are the factors of this polynomial. Answer. Next question: x square plus 18x plus 32. Now we will solve it by splitting the middle term, so that 32. Find two factors of 32, so that when you add that two factors you will get 18. 32 is equal to 2 into 16, and when you add 16 plus 2 you will get 18. It means you can write it x square plus 16x plus 2x. 18 has split it into 16 and 2 plus 32. Now here take x common, x plus 16 in the bracket, plus 2 common, x plus 16 in the bracket. Now take x plus 16 common, and remaining is x plus 2 in another bracket. So these are the factors of the polynomial given. X square plus 20x minus 69. Here split 20 into two parts whose sum is 20 and product is minus 69. So write down two factors of 69. So how to find 69? It is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 23 into 3. So you can write it 69 is equal to 3 into 23, and when you add these two numbers like this, 23 plus minus 3, so you will get 20. So it means you break 69 in 23 into minus 3. So here no need to write minus 3. You know how to make 20 here by using the suitable sign. So you can write it like this: x square plus 23x minus 3x, 20. So 23 minus 3 is equal to 20, minus 69 is equal to, take x common, x plus 23, minus sign common, and 3 common, because 3 is a factor of 69. So here in the bracket x plus 23. You have shown here already that when you multiply 3 by 23 you will get 69. X plus 23 as common, and other factor is x minus 3. answer. So here in all the question, no need to write that split 20 as the sum of two numbers whose product is this. No need to write, only write like this. Show the factors in as rough work. Now see the question number 4, x square plus 19x minus 150. So do it in your notebook. X square plus 19x minus 150. Do it with splitting the middle term. So here split 19 into two numbers whose sum is 19 and product is minus 150. So how to find out two numbers whose product is 150? Easily. So do prime factors and make pairs 150. So first you divide it by 2, 2 7 is 14, 1, 2 5 is 10, then 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15, 5 5 is 25 and 5 1 is 5. Now make any two factors whose sum is 19. 5 5 5 is 25, suppose these two, and 3 2 is 6. 25 minus 6, you will get 19. So you can write it 25 and 3 2 is 6. You will get 150, and when you subtract, or we can say add like this, 25 plus minus 6 is equal to 19. So here product is 150 and the sum of these two numbers is 19. So you can split like this and write down here x square plus 25x minus 6x minus 150. This number you can write it as it is. Now here you can take x common, x plus 25 in the bracket, minus common and 6 common. So here in the bracket x minus we have taken common, sign will be plus, and 25, 25 6 are 150. So here x plus 25 is common and other bracket x minus 6, answer. So easily you will get two numbers when you do prime factors and taking any two factors, so that you will get the term which is constant. X square plus 7x minus 98. So split 7 into two numbers so that their product will be 98, and 14 sevens are 98. So if you break it, 14 into 7 is equal to 98, and 14 minus 7 you will get 7. So these two numbers whose product is 98 and whose sum is 7, you can write this 14 plus and in the bracket minus 7, you will get 7. So we split 7 into two terms like this. If anybody is not know the how to break it directly, then do prime factors and make pair as we done in previous question like this. If anybody who are not able to know the table, but you have to learn table strictly so that no problem should come in solving the questions. So students, now write it like this: x square plus 14x minus 7x. We split this 7 into two numbers, minus 98 as it is. Now take x common, x plus 14 in the bracket minus 7 common, x plus 14 and x plus 14 common, and other factor is x minus 7. Answer. Next question. 6. X square plus 2 root 3x minus 24. So split 2 root 3 into two parts whose sum is 2 root 3 and product is minus 24. So to solve easily, first make factors of the constant term. So here 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4 and 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 are 3. Now taking factors, here 3 you will use as root 3 into root 3, so that here root 3 you can find with this 3, and 2 2s are 4 and this 2. 4 minus 2 means 2. So write down it like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into this 3, you can write it root 3 into root 3, and take a pair of 2 and 2, 4. So these 2 into 2 and this root 3, you can write it 4 root 3, and here 2 root 3, 2 root 3. So we have to make in the product of these two numbers, so that you will get the sum 2 root 3. Now you can write it like this: 4 root 3 minus, or you can write it plus and minus in the bracket 2 root 3. Now x square plus 4 root 3 x minus 2 root 3 x. When you subtract it, you will get 2 root 3, and this is minus 24 as it is. So students, don't be confused to looking at root 3, that how you will get the numbers. Now you can take x as common, and in the bracket x plus 4 root 3. Here minus common, 2 common, and this is 4 root 3 and minus 2 common. Just wait. See this factor here, x only, so it means we have to take 2 root 3 totally common, and in the bracket x minus, no, this will be plus because minus we have taken common, and plus, and what is the other factor? It will be 4 root 3. It is 4 root 3 and here should be 4 root 3. I will see how you will get 4 root 3. Multiply these two. 2 4s are 8 and root 3 means 3. So here 8 3s are 24. So in the bracket x plus root 3 will remain. Now x plus 4 root 3 take common, and here x only, and minus, this is 2 root 3. Answer. Now I am showing that 24 how to break. 24 is equal to, break it in the form of the factor of 3. So 8 into 3, and you can write it 8 into root 3 into root 3. So you can write it 8 into root 3 into root 3, and when you taking 2 root 3 common, means here 2 common and root 3 common. 2 into 4 into root 3 into root 3, and 2 and root 3 taking common, and in the bracket 4 root 3. So this you need not to show, only for understanding of the student I had shown here that how to get in the bracket 4 root 3. Otherwise, if you are if you have more practice, you can understand that when we are taking common, then same factor will be we get here. So here x, it means you have to take this completely as common. So this is just the explanation, so that students will don't get confused. X square minus 21x plus 90. So easily you can solve it. So first you try to find out the factors of 90. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, and 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now make pair. 5 3s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. 15 plus 6, these two and these two. 15, 5 3s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21, but here minus 21, so minus 15 minus 6 is equal to 21. Both sign will be negative, and product of 15 into 6 is equal to 90. 15 into 6 is equal to 90. So splitting the middle term is fit, and write down here x square minus 15x minus 6x minus, here this is plus, so first you write plus 90. Now in next step, x common, x minus 15, and in the bracket minus, so watch what to do here. You can take 6 common and minus common, minus 6 common, so this is x, and because this is plus, so put the minus sign, so that minus into minus plus. Don't do mistake of sign. X, sorry, here this is 15, 15 6 are 90. Now x minus 15 is common, and other factor is x minus 6. Answer x square minus 22x plus 120. So split middle term so that you will get the sum of minus 22. So first we know the two factors. 2 6 are 12, 0, 2 3 are 6, 0, 2 1s are 2, 5, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now get two factors so that the sum of you will get 22. 5 3s are 15 and 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 15 and 8, 23, no. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. 10 and 12 get 22. So here you can 5 into 2 into 5 2s are 10 and 3 into 2 into 2 taking together. means 10 into 12 and sum will be 10 means minus 10 and minus 12. Then you will get minus 22 is equal to minus 22. And product of these two numbers, 12 tens are 120 and minus into minus plus. Use by prime factorization and make pair so that two numbers you will get. Now write down x square minus 10x minus 12x plus 120. Taking x common, x minus 10 minus 12 common and x, and this sign is positive, so write down here minus, so that minus minus plus. 12 tens are 120. X minus 10 common, x minus 12, x minus 12, other factor. Answer x square minus 4x plus 3. So split 4 in two terms so that the sum of you will get minus 4. 3 ones are 3, so minus 3 and minus 1. Now solve it and check the answer. See the solution. We break it, minus 3x minus x, x common, x minus 3 in the bracket, minus common, so x minus 3, x minus 3 common, x minus 1. Next question 10. X square plus 7 root 6x plus 60. So here root 6 is the requirement. So do the factors. 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 1s are 2 5s are 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now here 2 3s are 6, so you can write it 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 6 and break it into 5 into 2 into root 6 into root 6. Now 5 root 6 and 2 root 6. Take 2 as like this, 5 root 6 into 2 root 6. Now 5 root 6 plus 2 root 6, you will get 7 root 6. Here you can write it 5 root 6 plus 2 root 6 is equal to 7 root 6. It means these two, the numbers, you split this middle term. So put these numbers in place of 7 root 6. X square plus 5 root 6 x plus 2 root 6 x plus 60. Constant term always write as it is. Now x common, so x plus 5 root 6 and here x, so it means you take completely 2 root 6 as common, 2 root 6 and x plus 5 root 6. When you multiply it, check, you will get 60. 5 2s are 10 and root 6 6. 10 6 are 60. It means correct. Now take x plus 5 root 6 and other factor, remaining part x and plus and 2 root 6. This is our answer. So students, this exercise is still now over up to question number 10, and remaining question we will do in next video. Student, don't forget the video to like, share and subscribe my channel and give comments. Thank you.